Hey guys, welcome back. For this video I'll be reviewing and swatching the Huda Beauty new nude palette. This palette was released on October 29th on Huda Beauty's website and on November 1st on all her retailers. So this palette is the same style and packaging as her previous palettes. It comes in a very good quality cardboard packaging with the magnetic closure, and it includes a good quality mirror. It has 18 eyeshadows and it retails for $65. There's a mixture of mattes, reflective pearls, pressed glitters, and a pressed pearl. Out of the 18 eyeshadows, there's 10 mattes, 4 reflective shades, 2 pressed glitters, 1 pressed pearl, and 1 concealer base. I'm in love with the color story of this palette. It has dusty pinks and coppers, berries, rosy pinks, and neutrals. It's a mix of warm and cool tones. I own her previous 2 18 eyeshadow pan palettes, and I can say that the mattes in this palette feel so much creamier. When I did the swatches, I didn't have any issues with the mattes. I was so happy to see that these weren't chalky on my tan skin. All of the mattes swatched evenly and opaque, and also when I tested them with the blending brush, they blended smoothly without any issues. For the reflective shades, these shades are so beautiful and creamy, they glide on the skin like butter. I honestly don't recommend applying these with a brush. I didn't get an even application when applying these with a dry or wet synthetic brush, so I'm sure these are meant to be applied with the finger. For the pressed glitters, I also noticed these were more creamier than the glitter in the Desert Dust palette. These glitters were very easy to apply with my finger and somewhat with the wet synthetic brush. I would recommend having a tacky base for the glitter or a glitter adhesive so it could last longer. The pressed pearl is a shimmer shade which performed good with the wet synthetic brush and also with the finger application. I also forgot to include a swatch of the concealed base, but my swatch didn't show much pigmentation, so it would have been really hard to see it in the video. The base was more like a tacky base that I ended up trying as a base for the glitter and reflective pearls. I actually think that's what I'm going to end up using it for because I saw that they adhere to it pretty good. So overall, I really love this palette and I do recommend it, and I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.